finally bought a Ninja air fryer. I am so excited to test this air fryer out. I previously owned the Power Air Fryer Oven Pro, but that thing was leaking bacon grease all over the place, so I eventually got rid of it. And now I own a Ninja. So I'm going to test this out by just simply roasting a chicken just to see how well it does. I have a Cornish hen. This is a very, very small chicken. I'm going to spatchcock it. Then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to break the breastbone so that it'll lay flat. I'm going to give it a quick rinse under cold water, rinse it front and back. Then I'm going to dry it off really good. I'm going to add a little canola oil, and then I'm going to keep it as simple as I possibly can, but it's still going to be good. I'm only going to season it with Lawry's chicken and poultry rub. This is a blend of garlic, rosemary, sea salt, onion, and some other herbs and spices, y'all. It's everything you need in one bottle. So after you season it really good front and back, you need to let it marinate in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, let it sit out at room temp for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to place this inside of the air fryer. Look at how perfectly that chicken sits in that basket. It's almost like the basket was made for the chicken. Now here I was not quite sure how long the chicken needed to cook because after all, this was my first time. So I'm just going to set this for a roast at a temp of 390 for 35 minutes. I did end up stopping the air fryer once it got to like 19 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm going to check on the chicken. I'm not going to use my meat thermometer as I normally would. I am going to cut the chicken open to see if it's done. And clearly it was not done. As you can see, the bone is still red or slightly pink, so I am going to have to put the chicken back into the air fryer. So this is why it's so important to always use a meat thermometer to check the internal temp of the chicken, because once you cut it open, you don't want to have to put it back into the air fryer or your oven because you will risk drying your meat out. I'm going to set this timer now for about 6 minutes. Okay, it's done. It looks very delicious. It tastes very, very delicious as well. And I am very, very impressed with the Ninja air fryer. I love the fact that I didn't have to flip the chicken over. I didn't have to rotate it as I might have had to do had I used my upright Power Air Fryer Oven Pro, which is long gone in the trash, by the way. So I am very, very impressed with the Ninja air fryer. I'm going to meal prep half of this chicken. So I'm going to pair this along with some brown rice and some roasted vegetables for lunch. And yeah, that's it, y'all. This was so simple, so easy. I'm happy about this air fryer. Okay, if you don't have one, or if you do have one, I hope you like yours as much as I like mine. This was my first time having a basket air fryer, so I'm still excited to have it and can't wait to try different recipes in this air fryer. So as always, I thank you guys so much for your support on this channel. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.